plain squishy, a bottle of glue, some tissues, and a Tupperware with some water and a spoon. So now let's get started. First you take your plain squishy and you pick some poster colors that you want to color. I take this, the red color. I put it here. And you just mix it together. After you mix it, you take a brush